Oh, good job. How does it feel? Do you gotta fix it?
Okay. Uh-oh.
What else do you have to do to it?
I did.
You fixed it?
Oh.
Wow, good job. With the button? How are you gonna fix that? Hi, Violet. Is he fixing it for you? Is he fixing it for you? My pretty girl. What's your brother doing?
Hi.
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 I did.
You fixed. Yep. Who's this? Who's that?
Scissors.
Who is?
Hi.
Hi. You're fixing it?
Okay.
Yeah, good job. Bodhi, who's this?
Scissors.
Sister, yes.